Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to do this right here, which is a pretty cool idea. But when they do it, the page curl changes their color. So let's just do this. Let's draw a rectangle. Let's Control D and make a duplicate and then bring that rectangle in. I'm holding down the Shift key so it'll be even. While that one's selected, I'm going to make it something thicker. And I'm going to go and make it a variegated line. Now, or a dotted line. You see how it's not perfect? So with that, if you hit F12 on your keyboard and go right here to Align Nodes, and now look at it so they're all perfect. Now we're gonna, let me see how big this thing is. Over 13 inches. Let's make our nut factor 15. And let's move this out of the way. Now let's take this and make it that blue that he wants, or a blue that he wants. Take away the outline, go up to Effects, 3D, and Page Curl, and you see what it does. Now, if we take these lines and put them back over there, we can't really do too much about it. But since they're an outline, we can go to Object and break and convert the outline to an object, and then immediately go to Object and break the curve apart. So then we can delete these lines. I'm going to go ahead and delete that one. We could play with it, but I'm going to play with this one because a little bit, just a hair of that is showing. Now we can go here and I can left click, right click. And this, this might not even happen, but then just take a 2-point line and go from like that edge to that edge, and I'm not very zoomed in. Get your shape tool and move that over a little bit more. Move this down. And then take your Smart Fill tool, sit on that red and fill that in. And then get rid of your box. So it looks like it's really there. Now we could have, like on this one, it's a little bit, let's put that other one back. Let's say if it happened to be there, and let's put it like right in there. You could maybe put a little curl to it, but if we hold down the Control button and add a little black, well, I added too much. Add a little black. It's like it's underneath that tunnel. And even here, don't probably really have to do this, but if you could take the interactive fill tool and go this way, and then put black in this corner, and not so much, just a little bit, that one would look like it's kind of being turned by the page too. I don't know if that's exactly how he wants it, but he was extremely happy with it. And see here, I had a little bit bigger deal, and I only had one, and I just made it a little bit darker. I don't know that you need to have that in the curl, because maybe it hadn't started curling yet. But anyway, that's how I would do it. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.